Hey guys, Emilio Espinosa with Espinosa & Associates, and I want to welcome you to our team's newest listing here at 15B Owen Drive in Etobicoke. This gorgeous 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, finished basement, single car garage home is stunning from head to toe. The moment you walk in, you're greeted with oversized tiled entrance, upgraded light fixtures, crown molding, smooth ceilings. You have a sunken kitchen and living space with quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, hand-scraped hardwood flooring. This house has so much to offer, and guess what? Under 10 minutes away from all major amenities. So contact us today at 905-568-2121 or at info@espinosateam.com for your private viewing. Thank you for watching.